everybody, it's Sandy, and in today's nail art tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create these gorgeous and easy gold foil nails. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's begin. Start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails. This will protect your nail bed from staining, and it will help prevent your polish from chipping. Next, choose a white polish to paint your nails with. Depending on the opacity of your white polish, you may need 1 to 2 coats. We need this layer to be completely dried, so to speed up that process, you can add a fast-drying top coat over it. After a couple of minutes, it's time to create the pastel rainbow ombre. Here, I'm using a makeup sponge and painting stripes of each color I want in my ombre on it. Then I'm sponging it over the nail. If it's not opaque enough, you can re-add the colors a couple of times and sponge again. Once you get the look you want, you can clean up around your nail, and then it's time for the gold foil. For this part, I'm using these metallic tattoos. You've probably seen them before at your local mall. You can find these at most accessory shops and some clothing stores too. If you'd like to order them online, check the link in the description box. I'm going to cut up the pattern that I want into small pieces that will cover the size of my nails. To apply, just peel off the clear backing and position the tattoo over your nail. Then use a wet paper towel to transfer the tattoo onto your nail. I love the shiny metallic finish of it. Now you can peel away the excess tattoo using tweezers, or you could dissolve it with nail polish remover and a cotton swab. Finish off your new manicure with a fast-drying top coat. This will seal in your design and add a beautiful shine to your nails. And that's it! If you guys enjoyed this video, comment below and let me know. And also, I'd love to hear any video requests you guys have. Take care, and I'll see you next time!